An F-16 fighter jet flying over Florida with no one at the controls. It is the ultimate drone used to train American pilots for air-to-air combat, and they're being built right here at home.
In an Action News Jax exclusive, Cole Heath takes us to Cecil Airport to see how this new technology works.
This is Boeing's highly secured Hangar 825 at Cecil Airport. A small contingent of engineers are turning retired fighter jets into flying targets.
This is absolutely the coolest job I've ever had.
Air Force veteran Kyle Bryant heads a team transforming these 80s model F-16s into QF-16 unmanned training drones.
It's a single-seater aircraft, but we basically make it think that it's a dual-seat aircraft.
The hunters of the sky now becoming the hunted.
And this is only happening in Cecil Airport.
Only happening in Cecil Airport with the QF-16.
Boeing spokesman Tim Bartlett gave Action News exclusive access. The equipment in this facility is so sensitive, we had to keep our distance from the jets. So far, the Air Force has taken 9 F-16s out of mothballs from a storage boneyard in Arizona. They're flown here to begin the 5-month conversion process.
They're preserved so that, if service calls again, they can be brought back into service, which is what we're doing here.
Think of the QF-16 as a giant remote-controlled plane. The pilot safely controls it from the ground as it's targeted by American fighter pilots training at bases in Florida and New Mexico. And yes, the pilots eventually shoot the QF-16s out of the sky. For real.
Just takes that training to a reality level that's a notch above.
The project started earlier this year to replace converted Vietnam-era F-4 Phantom drones. First, crews strip the fighters down.
Every 14 days or so, we pulse the line to the next step and everything moves one step forward.
Eventually, the jets are brought down this line to the final stage, where Bryant's crew put them through their final tests. Now, the engines are reattached, the automated flight system is installed, and the tail is painted orange, signifying the jet is now a drone and ready for its final mission. So far, the Air Force has ordered 67 QF-16s, repurposed warplanes that will soon be given a warrior's death.
It's nice to see that they're going to have a fitting death instead of rotting away in the desert somewhere.
Reporting from Cecil Airport, Cole Heath, CBS 47 Action News Jax.